welcome back to another video. So today we are going to take a first look and unboxing of this Samsung portable SSD, the T7 version. So I bought this SSD because I'm going to use this as as a game drive and also for my school purposes, because I have been daily driving this WD Elements hard disk for a very long time, and I use this for my VM or all my school stuff. It's mechanical hard disk, obviously, because it's gonna be slow. And the most infuriating thing is that it uses some special stupid micro USB type B, don't know what thing. And to be honest, it will break easily, and yeah, the durability is not that great. So yeah, luckily this has USB-C, which is much durable than a micro type B USB thing, which is atrocious, to be honest. On the box they say it is compatible with your phones, PCs and other devices, your Mac, also maybe Linux and stuff. Because compatibility supports Samsung portable SSD, Windows 7 and higher, Mac OS. You don't need to install the software. It's, to be honest, it's bloat. Here's what it contains. The SSD itself. Yes, two USB-C cable. One's for the C to A, then the C to C cable, which I'm going to use for my laptop. On the back is a bunch of gibberish, and this SSD claims that it can go up to 1050 megabytes per second read speed, 1000 megabytes per second write, using the 3.2 Gen 2, yeah, 10 gig using the PCIe, blah blah blah. And it comes with three versions of this SSD. It came with 500 gig, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte. For this one, I opted 500 gig. And as for now, they have the on sale until 31st of July, as of recording 26th of July. So below reliability, it has a password protection, blah blah blah. So enough for talking, let's unbox this. Boxing failed. Here's the box itself. As you can see, the Samsung logo. Please, bruh. Here is the SSD itself. To be honest, built well built. The metal build is quite good. As you can see, I bought up 500 gig. As you can see, it's quite nice. I need to smell the new things. Smell nice. Okay, what else is inside the box? We have the USB-C to C cable, which I am going to use. Here's the USB-A to USB-C. Quick start guide, which you can throw in the bin. That's been it. So let me go and connect to my laptop. What is capacity and stuff. And I think Samsung is the most trusted company at all times, because it's not those those Chinese sellers, right, or companies, right. They say 500 gig, right, but it's like lower than that. I don't know, 16 gigs or 32, 64 gigs, I guess. Hopefully this works. Hopefully it advertises the actual capacity. So let me just test the SSD. Alright, here's my laptop. Time to test the SSD. My laptop has a what you call that? USB type C, which is very useful for my laptop, for my drive. And as you can see, it detects, right? Yay! Let me go to the, as you can see, 465 gigabytes. But the extra few others, they are formatted by Windows and stuff. So, well, that's been it for this review and the first look of the Samsung portable T7 SSD, not the T5. In what color? Oh yeah, forgot to say that it comes with some kind of metallic gray, I guess, and also they have the blue version. I opt out the grey version, which is because look how nice it is in my opinion. So that's been it for this video. If you like this video, remember to like, share and subscribe. That's it for this video, and I catch you guys next time. Bye bye.